In chapter 7, we are looking at rational expressions, and that's referring to expressions that look almost like a fraction. In fact, it is a fraction, but the numerator and denominator are made up of polynomials. So there's a few things you need to learn about rational expressions. So let's break it down this way. First thing I need you to know is how to determine when a rational expression is not defined. So before I show you how to do it, let's recall something you learned in arithmetic about fractions. If you have 0 over 10, that's equal to 0. But when you have 5 divided by 0, for example, that's going to be undefined. Similarly, if you have 0 over 0, that's also undefined. So what makes these two undefined is because their denominators in both cases are equal to 0. So hence we say that denominator cannot be 0, because when that happens, your quotient is undefined. Okay, so this was something we wrote before, but let me write this again. Quotient of two numbers is undefined whenever the divisor is 0. So when the denominator is a 0, regardless what the numerator is, your quotient will be undefined. Okay, so how will we ask you the question in chapter 7? The way we'll ask you is, can you determine the values that make the expression 3x over 2 divided by x squared minus 2x minus 8 not defined? So in so many words, we're asking you what values must you put for x so that put into x so that your quotient becomes undefined. So rather than you sitting there guessing what number works or what number makes the denominator 0, the method is to set the denominator to 0. So you force it to be 0, set denominator equals 0, and solve it. Okay, so that's the method. So we force it to be 0. So in our example, I'm going to set x squared minus 2x minus 8 equals 0. So this is a trinomial. Back to what you learned in chapter 6. For trinomial, we use sum and product. Sum is negative 2, that's the middle, and product is negative 8. So you need to ask yourself, what times what gives you 8, but yet the sum is negative 2. So the answer is 4 and 2, and it's negative 4, positive 2, if you want a sum of negative 2. Okay, so fill in the factors, x minus 4, x plus 2. Now because the product of this is 0, so that's when you force each piece to 0. So x minus 4 equals 0 tells you x is 4, and x plus 2 equals 0 tells you x is negative 2. So the answer to this question is 4, so the answer to this question, determine the values, is 4, negative 2. Okay, that's the answer. But the big question is why? What does that mean? Okay, why? Now, when x takes the value of 4, you will notice the expression 3x minus 2 over x squared minus 2x minus 8. That's the expression we're talking about right here. What happens is you're going to replace x by 4. So 3 times 4 minus 2 over 4 squared minus 2 times 4 minus 8. So on the top is going to be a 12 minus 2, which is a 10. That's the numerator. But in the denominator is a 16 minus 8 minus 8, which actually turns out to be 0. So true enough, when x is 4, the value is undefined. Okay, the quotient is undefined. So we are saying that what values makes it undefined? 4 does, and on top of that, negative 2 does as well. Okay, so let's check. 3 times negative 2 minus 2 over negative 2 squared minus 2 times of negative 2 minus 8. So 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Negative 6 minus 2. That makes the top negative 8, but the bottom is going to be a 4 plus a 4 minus 8, which is a 0. So true enough, it's undefined again. Okay, so in answer to this question, what are the values that makes it undefined? We are saying that there's two numbers that will make it undefined. The two numbers are 4 and negative 2. And you can see from here, if you substitute 4 or negative 2 into the quotient, into where x is, the quotient becomes undefined in both cases. Okay, so this is just serve as a check, just so we understand what we are doing. But the method is really to look for the values that make the denominator equal 0. So we forced it to make it equal 0. That's what we're doing right here, the method. And then we solve it. So let's look at another example. Same thing. Can you determine the values that make, let's try 2x plus 1 over negative 48 plus 12x plus 6x squared not defined. Okay, so ignoring the numerator, all we do is set the denominator, which in this case is negative 48 plus 12x plus 6x squared, and we set it equal to 0. So if you recall, for trinomials, we have to arrange them in descending order of exponents. So we start with 6x squared, followed by 12x minus 48 equals 0. And then remember GCF, so the first thing is to rearrange. So I'm hoping that this will do a quick review for you. First thing is to rearrange. Okay, then the next thing is to look for GCF. In this case, it's a 6. So it's x squared plus 2x minus 8. And then looking at the trinomial, I'm looking for a sum of positive 2 this time. And the product I'm looking for is negative 8. So we are still talking about 4 and 2, except that I need positive 4 this time and negative 2. Okay, for the sum to be positive 2. So when I put in the factors, it's going to be x plus 4 and x minus 2. So this is where you set each piece to 0. 6 equals 0, x plus 4 equals 0, and x minus 2 equals 0. If you look at the first case, 6 equals 0, that's basically nonsense. Okay, so there's no contribution from there, so you reject it. So it's nonsense, so let's reject it. X plus 4 equals 0 tells you x is negative 4, and x minus 2 equals 0 tells you x is 2. So the answer to this question is negative 4 comma 2. Okay, those are the two that will work. So if you like, you can always check to see that you are correct. So let's try one more. Let's try a different way of phrasing. This is another way we can say, can you find the values of the variable for which let's try 5x plus 3 over 1 minus 4x squared is not defined. Okay, so that's another way we can phrase the question. But the key is we are looking for the values that makes it not defined. So the method is the same. You're supposed to set the denominator, which in this case 1 minus 4x squared, set it to 0. Except this time it's a binomial. So for binomial, you have to think of whether it belongs to the square group or the cubes. Okay, so in this case, it belongs to the squares. So start two parentheses. What times what gives you a 1? That's 1 times 1. 4x squared is 2x and 2x, and then 1 plus and 1 minus. Okay, so same thing, you will set each piece to 0. 1 plus 2x equals 0, tells you 2x is negative 1, and so x is negative 1/2. And in this case, 1 minus 2x equals 0, which means negative 2x is negative 1, and so x is negative 1 over negative 2, which is positive 1/2. So the answer to this question is plus or minus 1/2. Okay, so those are the two numbers that will make it not defined. Okay, your turn to try. And if you look into your book on page 300, you should work on these numbers. Let's see, number 15, number 27, and number 31. Okay, all right.